Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Hi friends, welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to SQL tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned select top query in SQL Server 2017. So friend, let's start. So friend, first we have open DB and new query. Select command first, see the records, table name and execute. So you have see friends, all records are showing. So friends, we have user top query in this record, in this table. You have used the select top 5 star from TBL student, my table name. This is my table of TBL students. So we have execute this query. So friends, you have see this, all record are showing 1 to 5 records are show. We have increased this, we had 10 and execute again. So when you see, all 10 records are showing in this table. So friends, this is a top query in SQL Server 2017. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video, friend, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and latest video update, press the bell icon. For more information, like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram, Twitter and join my Google Plus community. If you have any query, you can ask me on comment or email friends, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com, and thank you for watching video.